does this pressure washer really works?
So this is the material that needed to build the pressure washer. So first of all, you need the epoxy and PVC pipe, T-joint, water bottle, and focus PVC solvent, and on-off valve, hose, and hose tail. Oh, not to forget, you also need the PTFE tape. Okay, so this is how the structure looks like after we fix everything. Woo! Okay, so this is without the pressure washer on. Okay, ready to launch. 2, 1.
So basically not much difference, just a slight more pressure. Wasting time again.